Man, that thing sure does look good when wet. What's going on, everybody? Got my 85 C10 here. First of all, I know I've been doing a bunch of exhaust clips and videos. Pretty much all I've been doing the last few videos, but really ain't had a whole lot going on. Funds have been low, Christmas and stuff coming up. But here in the next couple weeks, hopefully they'll change and we can get some other stuff going, better videos out. But today I'm going to be cutting my tailpipes off of my mufflers on my truck. I like the way they look, kind of an old school look, but I think it'll sound better with no tailpipes. That's usually how I run all of my mufflers. They're Pro Street 6000 spintechs. It's just a small block 350 vortec with a little cam. Yeah, I'll do a little clip of it. If nobody's heard my other videos, I'm gonna do a little idle and rev clip with the tailpipes, and then I'll cut it off and have an idle and rev of it without the tailpipes. I'm gonna let it run a little bit, warm up before I go to wrapping the RPMs up there. I would like to make the motor last a little while. I like the way the tips look coming out, but I think it'll sound better without them. Well, that's that. There's my tailpipes. I hated to cut them off, really didn't want to, but that's how it sounds with them and without them. Actually makes a pretty big difference whether or not you got tailpipes or not, even when they're just 2 foot long. It was a lot more raspy before. Now it's a little deeper. Now you can barely even tell it's got a cam in it, even if at all. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna run it down the road now. If y'all like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more later.